The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is just around the corner, and the buzz is real. With the S25 series Unpacked event coming soon, more and more details are starting to leak about this 2025 flagship. The S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse, featuring the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a stunning 200-megapixel Samsung HP2 main camera, a 10x periscope zoom, and a bigger 5x zoom sensor. And it's finally jumping on the 16 gigs RAM train. While the specs are wild, the design might not see as much of a shakeup. Word on the street is that Samsung is saving the big redesign for the Galaxy S26 series, which will run on the Exynos 2600 processor instead of Snapdragon. So 2025 will be more of a transition year for the Galaxy S lineup in terms of looks. But don't worry, Samsung is still adding some spice to the S25 Ultra with fresh color options. We're still going to see classic colors like black and white, but here's where it gets interesting. The S25 Ultra is reportedly going to come in a unique Titanium Whitesilver. This color combo will feature a white front and back, with a sleek silver frame in the middle. Definitely a clean, classy vibe. Now, considering the Galaxy S24 Ultra already comes in colors like titanium yellow, titanium violet, and a few exclusive shades like titanium orange, this new titanium Whitesilver will definitely stand out from the crowd. If you love minimalist, elegant colors, this is the one for you. So, what do you think of these fresh color options coming to the Galaxy S25? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Until next time, take care.